Hello people, and for this round, we're gonna show you how to delete your Stake account. Now, I find this kind of funny because it's never really that direct when you're trying to cancel a gambling account. But let's just go over here to our left side anyway. And as you can see, everything is here in your profile. Now, all you have to do is go straight down to responsible gambling. And as we can see, there's a few options here. But as you might have guessed, what we're looking for is self-exclusion. Now, let's just click on that. And once here, let's just request self-exclusion. All right, now they'll send you an email that you have to confirm. So I'll go over here. And as it says, you have requested a self-exclusion 24-hour cooldown period. So after that, there's still a follow-up email, apparently, before you can permanently delete your account. Alright, and here we go. Self-exclusion updated. You have successfully initiated your self-exclusion cooldown period. Now, if you have any questions, just leave them in a comment down below. If this video helped you out, you could always like and subscribe. Again, thank you for watching. See you again next time.